They all are known as reason behind the electrolyte is what we were saying, that is they are producing the ions.
Yeah.
If anything are producing the ions, that is known as the electrolyte. Now if I will ask you, that is how can we say that is a strong electrolyte, that is a strong acid, or weak electrolyte, that is weak acid? How can you be able to understand? How can you say that is anything is strong acid or weak acid? Can you guess?
The concentration of H plus ions is more than the concentration of OH minus ions.
Correct. Okay. Strength of, if you are talking about strength of electrolyte, so there are so many methods are there. Strength of electrolyte to measure the strength. First one is there, that is if you talk about the degree of dissociation. Okay, degree of dissociation. This is the one method is there by which we can identify 100% dissociate. 100% dissociate means that is strong electrolyte, means that is strong acid or base. Simply I am writing strong electrolyte. Now another point is there, less than, it is meaning is the 100% dissociate. If it is less than 100%, if it is there, so it is going to be weak electrolyte. Okay, weak electrolyte. Now the second method is there, this method is there, another method is there, second method, based on pH. Okay, based on pH. Now if you talk about the case of acid, okay, acid, very low pH.
Yeah.
Okay. And in case of base, very high pH. Means that is what you are saying, that is based on the concentration. So if the concentration is coming very high, H plus ion concentration is coming very high, it means it will be the strong acid. Now let's try to understand with this with the different format. Okay, I am talking about that the pH is the second method to identify whether the electrolyte is strong or weak. So here we are writing that is pH. Okay, so pH, if you talk about, it is negative. It is the negative logarithm of okay, it is negative logarithm of hydrogen ion concentration. Okay, hydrogen ion concentration, power of hydrogen ion concentration, not the only hydrogen, power of hydrogen ion concentration. Okay, now concentration term always wherever it is using, it is always meaning is that is molar concentration, or you can say that is mole per liter, that you need to keep in mind. This is the mathematical definition. So pH is equal to, they are saying negative logarithm. So here I am putting negative, then I am putting the logarithm is log base 10. Okay, and into what, there 10 power. Okay, 10 power, you can say that is H plus ion concentration. Okay, this is the H plus ion concentration. Negative logarithm of hydrogen ion concentration. So better the term you can use here is simply you can write that is negative logarithm of H plus ion concentration. This is power of hydrogen ion concentration. So this is the pH definition. One more, similarly, it is also defined, that is if you are writing POH, so it is can be that is negative logarithm of what, that is base 10. Here is that is OH minus ion concentration. So that is POH, how we determine, that is negative logarithm of OH minus ion concentration. By the way, we need to know this one, pH is equal to negative logarithm of H plus ion concentration or power of hydrogen ion concentration. In case of acid, we are saying that is if lesser value is there, it will be stronger acid. So that is what, if you talk about strong acid. So it ionizes 100%. It ionizes 100%. and it ionizes 100% and have very low pH value and have very low pH value. Okay, very low pH value. This is what the point. Okay, strong acid, it ionizes 100% and has very low pH value. And now the question, let us try to write down the question. Question number 1. What the question we are going to get here? Calculate the pH of following. This is what the very simple question they are asking. Calculate the pH of following. A number they are saying 0.001 molar, HCl. B number they are saying 0.001 molar H2SO4. Okay, and C number that is 0.001 molar. Okay, this is H3 PO4. H3PO4. These are there. Although you see the concentration are same, but the pH value will be differing. pH value will surely differ. Let's try to understand this or try to solve the problem number 1. If I am taking this one, pH is equal to A number. So that is, we know negative logarithm of what? H plus ion concentration.
0.01. Yes.
So if I am having that is HCl, its coefficient is 1. Absolutely 1 is there. So if it is ionizing, so it is going to give H plus ion and Cl minus ion. Here concentration they are saying 0.001 molar is there. So simply at equilibrium it is also going to give 0.001 and this is also going to give 0.001. Okay, it will come the same. Okay, getting my point? Whatever the coefficient here is there, the same is H plus and same is Cl. So they are not going to multiply. We are not going to multiply any of them, because so whatever the concentration HCl is there, it is going to have this one and it is also had this one at equilibrium. Getting my point?
Yeah.
Okay. So here you see H plus ion concentration we need to write, that is how much? 0.001. So H plus ion is there 0.001 molar. Or if you are writing in the form of 10 power, so 10 power we can write how much? -3 molar. Yes or no? Okay. So H plus ion concentration we got. Molar ion concentration, H plus ion concentration is 10 power -3. Let me write this one. So pH is equal to how much is coming? Minus log H plus ion. And here H plus ion value you are saying minus log 10 power -3. This is going to be molar. Now you see, keep in mind. Do you know that is log A power N? Log A power N. Any idea about that? Okay, no problem. Log A power means N means log N, N log A. Power comes before. Suppose for example, if you are talking log 10 power 4.
So this would be 4.
4 log 10. Okay. Now, similarly, some log values, some log information are there that also you keep in mind. What are, this is the first one. Suppose that is log A into B is there, A into B. So log A into B means log A plus log B. This we have to keep in mind. If you are writing example, so log 2 into 10 power 2. So what we can write, that is log 2 plus log 10 power 2. This is there. The third is there. If you are going for the third, log A by V is there. So we can write that is log A minus log B. Suppose, for example, if you are talking about log 2 by 3 is there, so simply you can write that is log 2 value minus log 3 value. So this is the formula for log. By the way, let's try to understand here. So log minus is there, log, it is 10 power -3. So what we can do, if you are splitting on this one, this term, so it is going to come like that. Here is the bracket, right? Here is going to be -3 log, it is going to be 10. Is it okay? Minus 3 log 10. Yes, yeah, no.
Yeah.
Do you know any idea about Surya? What is log 10 value?
Log base 10 of 10 value will be 1, right?
1. Yes, thank you. So here you see that is minus 3. Here is how let me write this one in different style. So minus is already there in the formula. Then here minus 3 will come here and log 10. This is the writing style. So here you see minus 3. So minus into minus, it is going to be plus 3 log 10 value into 1. So pH is coming to be how much? 3. Can you be able to understand this? Is it audible?
Yeah, all good.
Okay, okay. Can I change this one?
Mhm.
Okay. So I'm writing the question. Here is from your book. I think this is given from your book only. I'm writing. They are saying calculate the. They are saying calculate the pH of a sample. Calculate the pH of a sample of soft drink. Whose hydronium ion concentration, they are saying hydronium ion concentration is 3.8 into 10 power minus 3, right? And here they have said some values. They have given log, okay, 3.8 minus 3.8 value is there, minus 0.58 they have given. That we need to keep in mind. So let's try to solve the answer. Okay, so how can you calculate the pH of sample of soft drink whose hydronium ion concentration is this one. So H plus ion concentration, if you are writing, so how much is there? 3.8 into 10 power minus 3, right? This is given. Now hydronium ion, I told you, either you write H plus ion. In the last class I told you, either write H plus ion or H3O plus ion. That is, both are the same, right? Both are the same. H plus ion do not exist, is simply combined with the water molecule, it forms the hydronium ion. So that you need to keep in mind. So although it is hydronium ion concentration, but I am writing H plus ion because both are the same. So pH is equal to, okay, minus log H plus ion concentration. This one you see. So pH is equal to what we can do here. pH. So log A into B, this one there. So we have to split this one. So minus log H plus ion concentration. Let me 3.8 into 10 power minus 3. Yes, yeah, no? So minus log A into B. I told you just now log A into B, it is going to be log A plus log B. Yes, yeah, no? So it is log 3.8 plus log 10 power. What is going to come? Log 10 power minus 3. Is it? Yes? Okay. I'm just multiplying this one. Your sound is not coming at all, Surya.
Oh, sorry. I'll just try to fix my. Is it okay now?
Ah, yes. So minus log, I'm multiplying by minus. So minus log 3.8 and minus into plus, that is going to be minus log. It is 10 power minus 3. One more possibilities is there. What is the possibility is there? This is going to split out. Log 10 power minus 3. It is going to split out. This one is going to split out. So how it is going to split? Let's see. Minus log 3.8 and this is coming this one. So minus into minus plus. So plus 3 log 10. Yes, yeah, no? So minus 3.8 value they have given. How much? Minus 0.58. And log 10 value 1 already you told. This is 3. So answer is coming how much? 2.42.
Okay.
Yeah. If you want to write, please write down this one a little bit. Done.
One second, please.
Can I erase this?
Yeah.
Okay. Check some of the problem if I'll find better problem. Mhm. Okay. We see the question number 2. Here is there, na? 0.001 molar H2SO4. That type of problem we need to keep in mind. 0.001 molar H2SO4. See, this value is going to come different. Okay. Why? So if you are ionizing H2SO4, so it is going to give, that is, it is going to give 2H plus SO4 2 minus, right? अब its coefficient is 1, it is 2, it is 1. So concentration, if you talk about this one, is 0.001 molar. So here is concentration of H plus will come what? 0.001 molar. This is also 0.001 molar, but here coefficient is 2, means its ionization is twice. Okay, or you can say solubility of H plus is twice. So whatever the concentration is there, it will give, that is 2 times of the concentration of H2SO4. So it is coming 0.002 molar. Getting? This will be as it is, because here coefficient is 1 now. Here is 2. So it is 2 times. Got it?
Yeah.
Okay. So here if you talk about H plus ion concentration, it is going to come 0.002 molar. Right?
Mhm.
Now log 2 value you need to keep in mind 0.3010. Okay, that you need to keep in mind. Log 2 value 0.3010. So can you tell me the answer? You solve it out.
So this is H
Plus is 0.002. So the pH will be negative log of 0.002, which is going to be
negative 1 second. I need to use my calculator.
calculator for this.
So this will be
2.7.
Yes. So this is going to log 2 plus log 10 power minus 2, right? So here is coming, that is minus, let it be log 2 value, we are plugging the value here simply. So plug out the value, it is coming how much? 0.3010. Okay, and here is the minus 2 log 10. There is no problem. So here if you are multiplying by minus, the 0.3010 minus plus, so it is 1.7. You said I think 2.7 or 1.7. What you said?
2.7.
Is it correct? Got it?
Yes, 1 second.
Your voice is not coming at all to me.
Oh, sorry. Is it better now?
Yeah. Sometimes it's coming.
Sorry, actually,
I can't speak well. I have COVID actually, so
Oh my
my
God.
voice is a little bit low.
God bless you, yaar. God bless you. Please keep take care.
yeah.
Mhm. Okay. Is it okay? 1.7.
Yeah, 1.7.
That's fine. Yeah.
Okay. If you are facing the problem, please inform me. Na? Okay.
Yeah.
Now the same question. See the pH changes. See here is 1.7 and here is 2.42. In the same concentration is there, same concentration, but HCl value pH came this one, and H2SO4 that is decreases. Means H2SO4 is a stronger acid than HCl. That you keep in mind. Getting? Because lesser the pH, the value is stronger will be the acidic strength. Let me try to explain you this one. pH scale. If you are talking about pH scale, okay, this is I think not there in your syllabus, but you try to understand pH scale. It is a scale having practical value of practical value of pH of acids mentioned from 0 to 14 at 25 degrees Celsius. Up 0 to 14 means, suppose this is the scale is there, this one. So this is 1, this is 2, 3, this can be 0, that is 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, and 14. Right? So 7 is the case of the neutral, neither acidic nor basic. This side, if you go, acidic strength increases. Acidic strength increases. And if you talk about this side, so that is basic strength increases. Basic strength increases. Getting this point? So greater the value of pH, greater the pH, stronger the base. Lesser the pH, stronger the acid. Can you be able to? Because here is the 7 is the case of the neutral, neither acidic nor basic. But if you talk about this one here, this side acidic strength increases, this side basic strength increases. Will it be okay?
Yeah.
Okay. So if you are comparing, if anyone is asking from you that which out of the following is stronger acid, which out of the following is stronger acid, following is stronger acid, okay, stronger acid or lower pH value. So let me, here is, so how can you be, A number is option is there 0.001 molar HCl or 0.001 molar H2SO4. So which could be our answer?
So this would be
See the value. Here is the 0.001 molar H2SO4 value 1.7. And here is, oh, we didn't solve for the HCl. We solve for HCl, I think. Here is pH is 3. For HCl, we solve for pH is 3.
Then this would be
H2SO4 will be
the stronger acid.
Yes, so this is our answer. This is the stronger acid. Is it okay? Okay. Let me try to give you some problem. Okay. You solve by yourself. They are saying calculate pH of 0.003 molar, okay, HCl if it 100% ionize. 100% ionize. These are all the cases we are studying. 100% ionize. Okay. Log 3 value they have given. Log 3 value is how much? 0.477. You please calculate and confirm the answer. 3.53 B number, 2.57 C number, 2.87 D number, 2.78. This are they.
0.477.
3 times 10 to the negative.
Will just be
B 2.57.
Yeah, this is the answer. Okay. So that you already got to know how to solve the problem. So I'm not explaining this one. I'm explaining other one. See, pH plus POH. This is all together is going to give, that is 14. Right? pH plus POH going to give 14. POH from acid, it comes from acid, from base. Okay. From base, this one is, and this is for acid, right? Now that is the, for base we calculate. It means what? For base, we calculate what? For base, we calculate POH. Okay. And here you see for acid. Okay. Up now for acid, that is okay. Let me finish this one. For POH, now that is if they are asking pH of base. pH of base. So pH is equal to what we can do? 14 minus POH. If they are asking pH of base, so 14 minus POH. Yes, can be?
Yeah.
Okay. Now. So this is all. Okay. Let me try to give you the one problem based on it. Question is here. Calculate pH of 0.005 molar NaOH. So they have given sodium hydroxide and they are asking POH, and here OH value they have given. Okay, so let me try to give the okay, solve it out. Sorry, this only.
0.005 NaOH. So this will produce OH ions. So this will be
So this is 0.7 basically. So this is going to be around 0.005,
which is
3. So this should be
11.699.
Yeah, you got the answer, na? This one. Is it okay? Now I think you will be able to solve this type of problem. Yes?
Yeah.
Okay. So let us try to change the topic here. Next one topic, I need to check your book also at the same time. So this is the pH value. Next one is there, ionic product of water is there. So here I am writing ionic product of water. What do you mean by ionic product of water? Have you ever heard this one? Ionic product of water, KW.
This is the dissociation
Of water into OH and H and OH and H plus ions.
Correct. Okay. So if you talk about the ionic product of water, means it is the product of concentration of ions, okay, produced by water molecule. So this is what the correct you are saying. See, if you talk about the water molecule H2O, it is going to ionize to give, that is H plus ion plus OH minus ion. This is going to give, right? If you are writing that it's Ka. So how can you write H plus ion in one bracket, OH minus ion in another bracket, divided by it is going to be H2O. This is there. H2O. This is all. Now see, H2O is large. H2O is in large. Okay. So its value is 1. Okay. But how they are writing it? Okay. Ka into H2O. K into H2O is equal to what? H plus ion and OH minus ion. Okay. Up here, since we are writing Ka into H2O, K into H2O is going to be Kw. Okay. This is defining Kw. Ka into H2O is Kw. Because here is the H2O value is going to be 1. So immediately it is coming Ka. So in case of the water, it is going to be named as Kw. Okay. So Kw is equal to H plus ion concentration and OH minus ion concentration. This is here. If you are writing this one, Kw is equal to this format, H3O plus ion concentration and OH minus ion concentration. So there will not be any problem. Kw is equal to H3O plus ion concentration and OH minus ion concentration. It is not going to be, that is going to be same. Is it okay? Okay. Now the if you are writing, that is very good, na? Because I am changing the slide. I am not asking also.
I'm just writing as you write it on the screen.
Okay, okay. So can I change? Can I change
Yeah.
this one? Okay. At 25 degrees Celsius, at 25 degrees Celsius, the concentration of H plus ion and OH minus ion are are 1 into 10 power minus 7 each. Okay. So it means Kw, if you are writing Kw, so it is going to be H plus ion and OH minus ion. H plus ion concentration, what is 1 into 10 power minus 7? This is there. And OH minus ion 1 into 10 power minus 7. This is again. Now if you are multiplying, so 1 into 10 power minus 14. So Kw is equal to 1 into 10 power minus 14. This is what the ionic product of water, value of ionic product of water. Done.
Also, is this where the pH scale comes from?
No, what?
So this is 1 times
10 to the negative 14. Like we see that this is like supposed to be neutral. So is this where the pH ID of 7 being neutral comes from?
That you can say. This is the these all are the molar concentration, na? So if you are putting this is the experimental, this is the experimental. Just now you say na that is the what they are the water is going to give, that is H plus ion and OH minus ion, because it is acting as a electrolyte. But at 25 degrees Celsius, how much it is going to give? This is the 10 power minus 7 is there and 10 power minus 7. Both are getting neutralized. So pH is going to come how much? 7. 7 means neutral. That is what you are asking. Na? If you are calculating pH is equal to what? That is, it is coming how much? Anyhow, if you are taking pOH also same will come. So pH is equal to minus log what? 10 power minus 7. So it is automatically coming 7. pOH also you are calculating how much will come? pOH. So minus log what is there? OH minus ion concentration. It means minus log what? 10 power minus 7. So again it is going to be coming 7. Now you know very well that is pH plus pOH is equal to 14. So pH is equal to what? 14 minus pOH. So 14 minus what? 7. So it is going to be with 7. Getting? Check.
Yeah.
Same, na? So you got na means water is neutral. That is what you can say, that is water is neutral. Yes, yeah, no? No. This is what the things we got. Let us try to solve the sum of the problem. Achha, from this previous equation, if you see, if Kw is given, right? So H plus ion concentration, can you calculate? Kw is equal to what? Kw upon what we can write? OH minus ion concentration. Yes. From this equation we can write now. Yeah, H plus ion concentration, what we can write? That is 1 into 10 power minus 14 divided by OH minus ion concentration. Can you? Can you?
also 1
Times 10 to the negative 14 divided by the.
OH
So
minus ion.
this is how we
we can find the. Also, this is like a constant we can use to find the H plus ion concentration.
Kw is constant only at 25 degrees Celsius. That is the constant. So let us try to give you one problem here. Okay. Wait, I'm trying to find out the problem. I got the problem. Okay, let us try to write this. They are saying at certain temperature, at certain temperature, at certain temperature, at certain temperature, the H plus ion concentration in water, they are not talking about 25 degrees Celsius, okay, is 4 into 10 power minus 7. Then find the value of, Kw at the same temperature. A number option they have given 10 to power minus 14 m square. B number 2.5 into 10 power minus 13 m square. C number option they are saying 1.6 into 10 power minus 13 m square. D number option they have given 4 into 10 power minus 7 m square. Okay, let us try to understand this. Okay, so how can you be able to understand this one? At certain temperature, so at particular temperature, H plus ion concentration is always equal to OH minus ion concentration. Getting?
Mhm.
So at the whatever the temperature is there, that is the same temperature they are asking, na? So whatever H plus ion is there, so OH ion will be the same, because at particular temperature H plus ion concentration is always equal to OH minus ion concentration. So what can be value of Kw? Can you please tell me? What can be the value of Kw?
So this
The value of Kw will be
is 4 times 10 to the negative 4 7 squared, which is basically
1.6 times 10 to the negative 30.
Yes. So 1.6 you are saying. Yes. Option number 3. This is the correct answer. In your syllabus, this is not given in the degree of dissociation. Let me check that is it there, degree of dissociation is there or not. Because if we can go little more, that can Kw is there, that is okay. We solve the problem. That is okay. Alpha is not there. Kb is there. That much is there. Okay. Acha, problem in your exams, problems come from the books or they give outside also some problem?
In the exam, they make new problems.
Okay. Means they can give the some additional type of problem also. Yes, na?
Yeah.
Okay. So let us try to solve some different type of problem. Okay. Now question is there. Calculate there's calculate H plus ion concentration. H plus ion. Calculate H plus ion concentration of 0.008 molar CaOH whole twice A number. This C, that is calcium hydroxide is there, and they are asking H plus ion concentration. So 2 into 10 power minus 7 molar. Their option 6.25 into 10 power minus 14 molar, 1.4 into 10 power minus 12 molar, and 1.25 into 10 power minus 11 molar. This is there. So this is going to be A, this is B, this is C, and this is going to be D. Okay. Now Let us try to solve this out. How can you be able to solve this problem? See, calcium hydroxide is there. Calcium hydroxide 2 times is there. So it is going to give that is Ca2 plus ion plus 2OH minus ion. There is the rule of stoichiometric. That is, if the concentration of this one is given 0.008 molar, so it will be because coefficient is same, so it is also going to be at 0.8 molar, and this is going to be at 0.008 molar. Why 2? Because coefficient is 2, so it is going to give 0.016 molar. Yes, yeah, no? Okay. Now we know what we know. We know H plus ion concentration and OH minus ion concentration product is 10 power minus 14. 1 into 10 power minus 14 means when you are multiplying that is value is going to be same. So that is 10 power 14. Yes or no? So H plus ion concentration is equal to 10 power minus 14 upon what OH minus ion concentration. So that is what 1 into, you can write in this format, 1 into 10 power minus 14 divided by OH minus ion concentration means 0.016. So how much is going to come?
So this is 1.10 to the next 0.016.
So 1 divided by 0.016 is going to be 6 something.
So will this be like 6.3 times 10 to the negative
-30 or 6.25.
Yeah. So this is the coming. This is our answer. So this way also the problem can be asked, that then we have to be very, very careful also. Can you please write down this one?
Yeah, I'm just writing.
Take it down 1 second. 1 minute, please.
Done? Okay, thank you. So let me try to give you one problem. You try to solve it out. They are saying calculate, okay? Calculate pH of 0.001 normal, okay? NaOH solution, okay? Do you know what is normality? What is normality? Option they have 11, 12, 13, 14. Do you know normal means? What is normality?
I don't.
Hmm?
I'm not sure what
That is.
Normality. Normality is little bit different term. Normality is equal to capital N, we represent number of gram equivalent. Number of gram equivalent. Number of gram equivalent. This is number of gram equivalent divided by volume in liter. Volume in liter. Okay, like molarity is there. Molarity. So molarity, how we were calculating molarity, number of mole upon volume in liter. Normality means number of gram equivalent upon volume in liter. So number of gram equivalent means what? Number of gram equivalent. Gram equivalent. How to calculate number of gram equivalent? So that is given mass upon equivalent mass. This is very tough term, equivalent mass. Okay, given mass upon equivalent mass. Now if they then you will ask that is what is equivalent mass. So equivalent mass upon equal to, that is equivalent mass is equal to, this is called molar mass upon n factor. Molar mass upon n factor. So n factor. So this is the very larger term. It is not there in your syllabus. So I'm not going in detail. If it will come somewhere, I will detail explain you. But that if anyone is asking equivalent mass means that is number of gram equivalent upon volume in liter. Number of gram equivalent given mass upon equivalent mass. Early number of mole is what? Given mass upon molar mass. But here we are using equivalent mass. Equivalent mass is what? Molar mass upon n factor. N factor will explain you later. Okay, let's try to understand this one. See. So if you are solving this one, solution doing. So NaOH is there, right? NaOH. So it is going to ionize to give that is Na plus ion plus OH minus ion. See the concentration 0.001 normal. So that is same coefficient. So it is going to be 0.001 normal. It is also going to have the 0.001 normal, right? Now from here, what you are going to get? OH minus ion concentration. OH minus ion concentration, how much is there? 0.001 normal. Now, what you are going to do here, POH you can calculate. POH is equal to how much is coming? Minus log what we can write, that is OH minus ion concentration. So it is going to be minus log, you can write that is 10 power minus 3. So POH is coming how much? Minus 3 means plus 3 will come. Minus into minus plus. So pH plus POH is equal to how much coming? 14. So pH is equal to what? 14 minus POH. So 14 minus 3. So pH is equal to how much is coming? 11. So option number A is correct. Got it? Okay, can you please make note of it, please?
Okay.
Done?
Sure.
Okay. Let me try to write down this one. Let me write the question here. At 321 Kelvin, pH of water is how much? Is at 321 Kelvin, pH of water is, they are asking, if Kw is, they are saying if Kw is 4 into 10 power minus 14 m square. More, no? M square, simple you write m square. So A number option, they are saying 6.70. So how can you be able to solve this one? Here temperature is different now, right? Temperature is different. That the pH of water is, they are asking pH value. Very tough. It's looking quite tough. Log 2 value they have given. Log 2 is equal to 0.3010. What we can do? See, if you are doing this one, you know very well H plus ion and OH minus ion. It is going to be, that is 10 power, how much it is? Kw, better you can write, that is, it is going to be
4 times 10 to the negative 14.
Yes, Kw. Okay, but Kw they have given here, no? This value they have given. So that is what. So here you can write, that is at particular temperature. At particular temperature, what we write? Particular temperature. H plus ion is equal to OH minus ion, same. So I am writing here is H plus ion, both are same, is the square. Is equal to, it is going to be Kw. Can we write like this?
Yeah.
So H plus is equal to root of Kw. Yes. So h plus is equal to, we can write the value, how much is coming here, 4 into 10 power minus 14. So that is, if you are removing the root, that is 2 into 10 power
negative 7.
minus 7. Yes.
Yeah.
So H plus ion concentration, you got, this is H plus ion. So pH is equal to, you can apply minus log what you can write, that is H plus ion
So the
concentration.
negative log of
Log 2 plus
6.7.
log 10, log 10 power, what is going to come? 10 power minus 7.
Minus 7.
So
Yes.
here you see how much coming. So minus, if you see the log 2 value 0.3010 and minus into minus plus 7. So it is going to be 6.70. So that is, if you are increasing the temperature, water become acidic. Can you be able to understand this?
Yeah.
Okay, please write down now.
Yep, noted.
Okay. This you can solve here. In your book now, some things are missing. Some things are missing means some topics like Ostwald dilution law is not there, Buffer solution is not there. So many things are not there.
The next units.
Acha, next
So
unit.
they have like
Acids and bases, but they made it into 3 units. So like the next unit is going to be about buffer solutions and
Oh,
different calculations and KSP.
that is why I thought how to deal with this one, because so many things are missing. Okay.
no, so this
By
is
the
like
way,
One of 3 parts of acids and bases in our school, and then they will go on the next part next week.
okay, good. Got it. They are saying calculate. They are saying calculate pH of 0.1 molar KOH at 298 Kelvin if OH minus ion concentration is 0.1 molar. So they are asking what pH they are asking. How can you solve this one? pH they have given 11, 12, 13, 14. A, this is B, and this is D. How can you do this?
OH minus is 0.1.
Hmm.
So we know that the POH will be
Yeah, your approach is correct only. Approach is correct. You can easily solve.
so POH is
1, and then pH will be 14 minus 1, which is 13.
So that is this one option you are saying.
Yeah.
Correct only. So you already solved, your calculation is very fast. Okay. So that so I think the remaining will come in the next one. Okay. Because here if I will teach you the pH of dilute solution, or the if you are adding the water, then what will be the pH? If you are removing the water, then what will be pH? If you are mixing the acid and base, then what will be pH? This will come in the next part, because up to here in your this one, what I am seeing this one.
I think it is
The very basic stuff.
For this one, I think it is only basics are there. KV value are there, KV calculation we already understood, Ka value already we got to know. So in this one, up to here is more than sufficient. Okay. Anything which is no, can easily solve this problem. Up to what na is there, that easily you can understand. Okay. So the next portion na, you share the that one PDF, because I don't have the PDF.
Yeah.
Share it, yes.
So either you can mail me or you can do the WhatsApp, anything you can do. Okay,
Sure.
but otherwise through sir also you can see. So that will be the better for us. So let me give you some of the problem question. So calculate pH of 0.0001. Let me write that molar, or it will be the 2 also correct. Molar H3PO4. You place it one only. This is the one only. But H3PO4 is there. You can't be able to understand until or unless you know that is which acid is how is going to ionize. What is the nature of acid? That is monobasic acid, dibasic acid, or tribasic acid, or polybasic acid. Until or unless you know the basicity, it's very difficult to solve. The last class I told you monobasic means H plus ion giving 1. Dibasic H plus ion giving 2. Tribasic H plus ion giving 3. Up here you see H phosphoric acid, orthophosphoric acid, H3PO4. If it will ionize. So it is going to give what? That is 3H plus ion plus PO4. How much? 3 minus ion. So its concentration suppose 0.0001. So what will be this concentration? 3 into 0.0001, and this is 0.0001. So if you solve it out, 0.0003, this is going to be. Now log 3 value, log 3 value 0.47 is there. Okay, so you can solve now. So pH is equal to what? It is minus log H plus ion concentration. So that is going to be minus log H plus ion concentration means 0. You can write, how can you write it? 0.
So this will be negative log of 0.001.
Yeah, that way also you can write. Otherwise, the best way to write is log 3 into 10 power what? Minus 4. Can you write like this? Yes, no? Okay. So easily it become that is log 3. Log 3 plus you can write that is 4 log 10 minus 4 log 10 because negative is there. Minus 4 log 10. Can you write this one? Yes, yeah, no?
Yeah.
Okay. So what we can do?
Become 4 minus 0.47, which will be 3.53.
3.53. So this is what how we can solve the problem, right?
Yeah.
So this is all about today class, Surya. So we'll be studying the next portion. You kindly please share in advance because here also sometime I don't get the time. I need to see
I'll send it right now only to the sir, and he'll just send it to you.
Yeah. Thank you very much. Thank you very much. Huh?
Thank you.
Okay. So bye, na.
Yeah. Thank you.